This is going to be the most complete video you'll see here on YouTube on how to create a Facebook ads page to advertise on. If you're a traffic manager, if you're an affiliate, if you have a company and you need to create a page, this is the video where I'm going to teach you the detailed step by step. I won't skip anything so you don't get blocked. I'm going to teach you exactly how to create a page. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe now, leave a like. Here we talk about paid traffic, digital marketing, everything you need to learn about paid traffic, 100% free. Well, let's go to my computer screen here and I'll show you exactly how to create a Facebook page. Well, for you to understand, first of all, the ads aren't displayed on the profile, they're displayed via a page. So you need to create a page according to your product. The ads won't be shown here through the profile. This is the profile, you need the profile, but they're not shown through the profile, they're shown through the pages. So if I come here to the profiles, I'll see all the pages that are linked to it. There aren't any on this profile. This is just a suggestion. It's not the pages. So we're going to create a page for the ads to be displayed. Here in the right-hand corner, there are sponsored ads. You can see if I click here, it goes straight to the site, but I'll show you how it works. So here in your profile, remember the profile needs to be warmed up. Don't make a page, don't create a page if your profile isn't warmed up. If you don't know how to warm up your profile, here's a link to my full video on how to warm up your profile. So come on, let's go here to pages in the left-hand corner, shall we? So this is the left-hand corner, pages, create new page. The name of the page needs to be in line with your product or your company. I recommend you put the name of your company to advertise. If you're dropping in anything else, you can create a generic page. For example, Super Mix Utilities or whatever the name is. Or you can put in exactly the name of the company. So let's say your company is called Roque Tráfego Pago. I believe this one will already be used, but I'm just going to put it here as an example, okay? So you put the name of your company or your product, the category, you put the category that is your company or your product. I can put it here. In this case, I'll put marketing agency. I can put 2 or 3 interests at most. So here I'll leave 2 interests. The biography, you're going to put what your company is, what it does, how many years it's been on the market, what its differential is. So you can do this here in the GPT chat. Ask it to generate a description, a biography for you there. So here I'll just give you an example and then go to create page. That's it. The page has been created, guys. It's very simple. On the website, if you have a website, you can put the website. So here I'll put my website, including if you need a complete paid traffic course, want to learn all this here and a bit more, go to this website, which is the link to my course. Phone number, you'll put it later. I'll leave it without a phone number because we'll set it up later, okay? So don't put a phone number. You can put an email address. You can also put an address. This is optional. Opening hours, if it's a local business, you can put your opening hours here. If it's a website, an e-commerce, you can leave it here. Click next. Guys, remember that I'm very straightforward here. I don't go into detail because there's a lot that you can understand just by reading. So here, because otherwise it would be a very long video. So here I try to be as objective as possible for you to apply and understand. So leave your like there, subscribe to the channel, strengthen our work. Here guys, add your profile picture. So here's this round picture. You can put your company logo on it. And here's the cover photo that goes on the back. All kinds of photos, images. I use Canva. You create an account on Canva. It's totally free. There's a paid version, but you can do a lot with the free version. So I'm not going to go into details here about Canva because I've already talked about it, but I use Canva. So you're going to put in your profile picture and cover photo. I'm going to select any photo here. Just to give you an example, so I'm going to put this one of Zuckerberg here and I'm going to put a cover photo here. I'm going to put this one here that was from my last video that I released. Even go and check it out, it's really good. Okay, so just so you can see how it looks, this is the background cover. You can make it according to your company. You can put your opening hours, customer service, anything here that will give your company more credibility. Then you click on next. Here, connect WhatsApp to your page. We're not going to do that here now because otherwise it could generate a BM. It could even get blocked. So don't put anything here. Click on skip. Here you can also click on invite some friends to like your page. That's what you can do if you want. If not, also go ahead. Here you can finish. That's it. The page has been created, right? So here we have a very raw, very basic page, right? Here you can hide this photo if you don't want it to appear. Hide it on the page, then it will look very clean here. And here we're going to make some very basic settings. The first thing I recommend you do before uploading an ad is make a post or two a day of something related to your subject. So here in the case of paid traffic, I come here in the post, I can generate it in the GPT chat, I can look it up on the internet. It's up to you. You're going to put something here that's related to digital marketing, because when you create an organic post, Facebook understands that you don't just want to come here and create an ad, and the organic post, when the person comes here to visit your page, that's what will generate more credibility. I'll give you an example here of my page. So here, guys, this is my Facebook page, okay? Rock Tráfico Pago. Follow me there if you don't already. And here I post content, right? For people to see that I'm generating value, for them to understand how it works. In your case, you're going to do the same thing. If you have a jewelry factory, you're going to post some post giving some tip, whatever it is, to feed. Oh, you see this page here? I've had it for a long time. It hasn't been blocked. It has a small following, 200 and a few followers, but that's it, guys. You don't need a lot of followers. What do I need? There are some posts in the organic section so that Facebook understands that I don't just want to come here and advertise, okay? So make posts related to your area. Then in this case, we're going to set it up. I'll show you where to set up Instagram. Instagram is here. You come here to settings, right? Settings, linked accounts, and here, connect your Instagram page. So here you click on connect. Connect again, and go ahead. It will ask you to log in without your Instagram, remembering that your Instagram account, if it's already linked on another page, it will ask you to confirm twice, okay? Just click here on connect and follow the step-by-step. Here on the question of WhatsApp, when you connect the WhatsApp here on the page, it will most likely generate a BM. That's a subject for another video. There's a video here on how to create a BM exactly. Here's where I recommend you link your WhatsApp number. You click here, enter your WhatsApp number, remembering that it has to be business. If your WhatsApp isn't business, don't enter the number because it won't work. So enter your WhatsApp business number, your company's customer service number, which is where you'll create WhatsApp campaigns and where people will contact you. So fill in the information correctly. I'm going to go back to the page. The Facebook page has now changed. It's like a profile. See? Here it's showing a feed, but I'm not on the profile. I'm already on the page. So here, Rock Paid Traffic. I'm going to come back here. Here I'm going to add an action button. So here, if I have a website, I'm going to put my website. If I don't have a website, I can put a WhatsApp message button here. Or if I don't also have a WhatsApp business, I can use here send message, pro message, that when the person clicks on get in touch, they'll receive a message. Here in this case, I have a website. So I click here on learn more, remembering to always put all the information about your company, the information that needs to hit as much as possible. So here the link to my website, I click here on save. Here it will already be here. Here I can come here to edit biography if you want to put the company information, edit details, and so on. Guys, here's something very basic, very direct that works. I use it here for several of my clients. So just to recap, always create the page with the profile warmed up. If the profile isn't warmed up, warm up the profile, then come here and create the page. By doing this, you'll be able to make announcements. I recommend that you post in the organic section for at least 2 or 3 days. Okay? So once a day is fine. It doesn't even have to be 2. If you want it to be 2, it can be once or twice a day. For 3 days, you'll come here, you'll post a post in the organic section, which is what I gave as an example here. You can post anything, but do it in relation to your page. So here I'll give you an example, upload an image, write a text, right? Of course, I'm just giving you an example here. You'll do it nicely. Then I'll click here on publish. This is very, very, very simple. It's just to show you how organic is. This is something you probably already know. If you didn't know, you're doing it, post in organic, fine. So guys, page 100% created. The page is on the profile. Now I'm going to give you one last tip to finish the video, an extra tip on how you can send this page to another profile and make a backup of the page. Because let's assume that anything happens to this profile, you lose access. Well, anything happens, you lose access to the page as well. This is very dangerous, so do this step by step here so you can send this page to another profile. Another thing, you don't need to add this page to BM. A lot of people ask that. Okay, you don't need to add it. Just leave it linked in the profile that you can advertise. Settings, new page experience, and here are the people with access to the page. So here, I'll come here, add new, go ahead. And here I'm going to type in the link to the person's profile. So I'll give you an example here on mine. Come here in Facebook. I'm here in my profile and come here, click here on my profile icon. And up here, you see this URL is the one you're going to paste there. You can do it from your PC. So come here and copy. I'll go back there. And which person I want to add, I'll paste the URL here. You see my profile appears here. Here I'll give full permission if it's really for backup, if it's someone who for example, is just going to manage your page, make posts, so on. You don't need to give full access, because if you give full access to that person has it, they can delete you from the page, so be careful with that. Okay, full access only if you yourself are an administrator or someone else is an administrator, so be careful with that. Grant access, here is the profile password. I confirm, that's it guys, the invitation has been sent. Now I'm going back to my profile here in notifications. Here it will appear for me. It didn't appear. I'll update it. The good thing about doing it live here is that these things happen. The invitation didn't show up here. You see, what am I going to do? In this case, yours may appear. It may not. That's part of it. We already know how to solve it. I'm going to come back here and I'm going to go to the page. So pay attention. Okay, I sent the invitation. Here I am on the Rock Tráfego Pago page. I'm going to copy the link to the page. So I click here, copy the link to the page and go to the profile where I sent the invitation. And I'm going to paste that link so it opens the page. Okay, so here I've pasted it here. The moment I open the page, here's the invitation. You see, check your invitation. So I click here on check. It's already going in, guys. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave them here in the comments. If you want a complete paid traffic course, which will teach you how to make real money without winding you up, without staying. There are people who ask how many modules your course has. I don't even know. There are a lot. There's the complete one, but I'm not like those people who have 70 modules in the course that the person can't apply anything. There is a step-by-step direct objective for you to make money with paid traffic. Beautiful. Link here in the description. Visit our sales page and then you'll fall into the rematch there. Well, if you need an untraceable browser, have several profiles on your machine, I recommend Dolphin. I use it here. I have several profiles without crashing, without anything. It's through Dolphin, which is a multi-login that leaves the profiles untraceable. So link here in the description and a coupon there for you of 20% on his subscription. That's it. Stay with God, success, and see you next time.